Fabio has decided to switch his basic and supplementary health insurance to Sanitas. A great idea. But what does he have to do? First, Fabio checks the periods of notice for termination. On his current insurer's website, he sees that there are different periods of notice for basic and supplementary insurance. It is essential that the notice of termination is received by the last working day of the deadline at the latest. Fabio also finds out that a termination is only valid if all invoices have been paid. To be on the safe side, he settles any outstanding payments with his current insurer straight away. When it comes to supplementary insurance, Fabio plays it safe. He only cancels his current policy once he's received confirmation of admission for the new supplementary insurance. That's the way to do it. Now everything is ready and the notices of termination can be signed. To be valid, they must be signed by all persons of legal age who are involved in the contract. In this case, that's Fabio and his wife Monica. Then Fabio sends the notice of termination to his current insurer by registered mail. It's good to have everything properly documented. Switching health insurer was easier than Fabio expected. And it's even easier if you use the Sanitas termination service, which helps you terminate your insurance with your current health insurer. You can find more information about this service and useful money-saving tips at sanitas.com/switch or by giving our customer service team a call.